Are you looking for ways to convert a $1,000 investment into $1 million by 2023? Then you're not alone. Having more money and gaining financial independence is a goal that many individuals pursue. The only requirements are a good investment strategy and a suitable business plan. Traditional investments such as stocks and bonds can help you achieve your objectives, but investing in cryptocurrencies and creating an online business can help you achieve your specific goals even more speedily. This video explains how you can employ cryptocurrencies and an online business to turn $1,000 into $1 million by 2023. We'll discuss the benefits of both approaches, as well as the potential risks and strategies you can use to maximize your chances of success. Let us first discuss how the successful strategies and possible risk and reward of cryptocurrencies could make it simple to convert $1,000 into $1 million. Investing in cryptocurrency is a hot topic right now. With the possibility of making a lot of money, it's easy to see why so many people want to jump into this world. But if you're a beginner, it can be hard to know where to start. Let's begin with the ground floor of cryptocurrency and investments. The term crypto investing refers to the practice of speculating on the value of cryptocurrencies by buying and selling cryptocurrencies. It's very much like regular stock trading, but you may want to do it anytime you want. Assuring yourself of a safe place to keep your cryptocurrency is the first step in entering the cryptocurrency market. Wallets come in a wide variety of styles and materials. Pick up the one that fits best for you. Assuming you have already obtained a wallet, the next step is to locate a cryptocurrency exchange from which to purchase and sell digital currency. Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are just a few of the most well-known exchanges. Now that you have a wallet and an exchange, you can begin trading. Do your homework before putting money into anything. Learn about the various coins and the underlying blockchain technologies, and follow the latest developments in the cryptocurrency industry by reading the headlines. The time to determine where to place your money comes when you've done your homework and are confident in your investment choices. Among the many possibilities, the following are among the finest crypto investments for newcomers. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most well-known digital currency, making it a good option for newcomers. Despite its erratic pricing, it has the potential to yield substantial profits. Ethereum is the second most valuable cryptocurrency. Smart contracts and the ability to support distributed software are two of its most notable features. Litecoin is a Bitcoin variant that boasts lower fees and quicker transactions. For those seeking a more trustworthy cryptocurrency, this is a fantastic option. Now that you have a basic understanding of where to put your cryptocurrency investing dollars, it's time to consider certain strategies that may increase your profits. Diversification is a key tactic that should be taken into account. Investing in many coins improves reliability in the event that one coin suddenly loses value. To put it another way, it will allow you to reduce your exposure to risk while increasing your potential for gain. Taking advantage of price fluctuations is another method. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate wildly, but smart market experts can profit from these fluctuations by providing cryptocurrency at low rates and selling it at a higher level. When dealing with cryptocurrency, one of the most important things to keep in mind is the risk management. It is crucial to safeguard your assets while investing. Stop-loss orders are one strategy for doing this. If the price of your coin falls below a specific level, your order will trigger and you will be able to sell them immediately. This way, you can limit the damage to your investment and better control the risks you're taking. Remember that cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, with price changes occurring rapidly. If the market suddenly drops, it's best not to panic out, but to wait it out patiently. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency trading is a long-term investment strategy, and only risk capital you can afford to lose. Now, we come to our second point, which is creating an online business. You can earn passive income, which means you can make money without having to do any additional labor by starting an online business. This is a great method to make money. There are a number of distinct category businesses that can be typically performed, including drop shipping, affiliate marketing, blogging, e-commerce, and digital product sales. Let's discuss them in detail. Number 1. Drop shipping. The e-commerce business model known as drop shipping is one in which sellers does not hold any inventory of the products they are selling. You instead make the purchase of the product from a third-party supplier when a customer places an order, and that supplier is the one who ships the product straight to the client. You won't have to worry about stocking any products or dealing with shipping if you go about things this manner. How to get started in the dropshipping business. Beginning a dropshipping business is not very difficult and does not need a large initial investment. Getting started is easy, just follow these steps. 1. Choose a particular niche. The first thing you need to do is identify a niche in the market or a sector of the business world that piques your interest. Consider the kind of products about which you are knowledgeable and have experience. 2. Conduct research on your suppliers. After you have chosen a niche, the next step is to locate reputable suppliers who are able to provide you with high-quality goods. 3. Establish an online store. This brings us to the next stage, which is to establish an online store. To construct an online store, you can make use of a platform such as Shopify, Amazon, or WooCommerce. 4. Start promoting your store. As soon as your store is ready for customers, you need to begin promoting it. This can be accomplished through several marketing strategies, such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing. Number 3. Blogging. Blogging is an online activity in which individuals post their thoughts, opinions, and experiences on a website in the form of a blog post. It is an outlet for self-expression and has become a popular way for people to share their thoughts, ideas, and knowledge with others. Blogging can be done for a variety of reasons, including personal, educational, and professional. People often blog to share their thoughts, inform others, and to engage in conversations with other people. Blogging can also be used as an outlet for creativity and to provide an online presence for businesses. In addition to requiring nothing in the way of initial funding, starting a blog is also a simple task. This is how you get going. 1. Select a blogging platform. The first thing you need to do in order to launch a blog is select a blogging platform that is suitable for your requirements. WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr are 3 examples of popular platforms for blogging. 2. Select a hosting service and domain name for your blog. After that, it's time for you to select a hosting service and domain name for your blog. People will use an address to find your blog online, and that address is called a domain name. Hosting refers to the space where the data for your blog is stored. 3. Produce content. Now that the technical aspect of running a blog have been taken care of, it is time to start producing content for your blog. This may contain postings on your blog, pictures, videos, or other forms of content. 4. Promote your blog. Once you have content that is ready to go, the next step is to promote your blog so that the other people can find it. This may include marketing via social networking sites, newsletters, and optimizations for search engines. Number 4. Digital products. Products that are considered to be digital are those that can be received electronically or via the internet. Ebooks, softwares, online courses, digital music, and films, as well as digital photographs are some examples of things that may be purchased and accessed online. First, choose your digital product. Digital products include music, films, books, and software. Picking popular products your target buyers will like. 2. After choosing your digital product, set up your online store. Create a stylish and easy-to-navigate store using Shopify or BigCommerce. Add product descriptions and images to make your store professional and inviting. 3. Support and upsells. Once you have customers, you must provide excellent support and upsells. Respond immediately to customer inquiries and offer related products and services. This boosts revenue and consumer loyalty. That's all for today. It's important to keep in mind that turning $1,000 into $1 million in just 1 year is only possible with the right investment strategy and business model. Investing in cryptocurrency and creating an online business can both be great options for achieving your financial goals. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency investment can be risky, and you should always do your research before investing. Additionally, starting an online business requires dedication and hard work. With the right combination of investing and business strategies, you can achieve your goal of becoming a millionaire by 2023.